let's look at the string crossing in bars 1 and 2. To do that, we're not going to play the notes with our left hand, we're only going to look at what the bow has to do. The first thing that I'm going to do is actually play on an open A string to get a sense of the shape of the phrase. Very often in minuets, the first bar leads to the second bar, and that's the case in Minuet 2. So it's basically going to go you could use the words wibble, wobble to the pond da keys. So again, ready, go. And I achieve that by gradually using more bow. So I start with little bows and then gradually increase the amount of bow that I use. Ready, go. Now let's look at what the bow actually has to do in terms of string crossing. So it starts on the D string. So I'm going to land on the E and then let the back of the hand roll the bow over to the D. So my arm is in a nice balanced position. I play open D from the green to the red dots. Then my arm goes down to the A string level and I play the A. Then I play the A again. Then my arm goes down to the E string level and I play the E. Now the back of the hand leads the bow over to the A string and the arm goes back to the E. Then it's a whole bow on the E and the back of the hand leads over to the D string. So initially what I do is I divide the bow evenly. I go between green and red stickers, so it goes green, red, red, green. Wibble, wobble to the. Then the next note I use a whole bow to the top sticker, pond, and then half, half, da keys. So let's try it with just even bow division. So I'm going green to red for the TT notes or quavers. So I start on the D string, land on the E, let the back of the hand roll over to the D, so we're in a balanced shape. So open D, go. Arm down, A. A. Arm down, E. Back of the hand, A. Arm down, E. Whole bow, E. D. When we go from the last three notes, we're going open E, whole bow, and then we're rolling over the A string to the D string for two Ds. We use the impulse of the down bow, the curve of that down bow, to take us over to the D string. We don't stop and then go over, so it's rounded over in the impulse of the down bow. D, D. Again, so open E and then curve. Ready, go. Curve. So let's try it a little bit faster. So we'll go D, A, E, A, E, E, D, D. Ready, go. Now let's see if we can make the crescendo on those open strings. So we use a bit less bow and then gradually increase the amount of bow we use. Ready, go. Now feel as you increase the bow speed that you're pulling deeper into the string as well, so that the bow isn't skimming on the surface of the string. And feel the texture of the string and the hair together in making this deeper sound. So let's try it once more. So open D first of all, ready, go. Remember that emotion is energy in motion. So how you create that energy creates the emotion in the piece as well.